What is the dumbest question a customer has ever asked you? 1. As a UPS driver, the customer asked, "What's in the package?" I was stunned by the stupidity and said, "No idea, you ordered it." 2. I was shopping in Costco looking at the salmon, and another customer comes and also looks at the salmon. He asks me, "Where is this from?" I said, "Space." He said, "Thank you," and walked away. 3. At a gas station, the customer asked, "Hey, the bathroom door is locked. Can I get a key?" I reply, "There's no key. If it's locked there's someone in it." They respond, "How does it know?" I ask, "How does what? No, what? How does the bathroom know someone is in there?" I say, People go in and then they lock the door while they're using it."